Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to have you with us today.
Today, we have a very fun episode. We are going to talk about people.
Yes, we see people every day. We see friends, we see family, we see strangers.
But how do we talk about them in English? How do we say what they look like?
Or how they feel. Today, we will learn simple words to describe people.
This is very useful. Imagine you want to tell me about your best friend. You need these words.
Or imagine you are at the airport and you cannot find your brother. You need to describe him to the police.
That is true. So, are you ready to learn? Let's unlock our English.
First, we need a tiny bit of grammar, just a little bit.
To describe a man or a boy, we use the word he. H-E.
He is.
To describe a woman or a girl, we use the word she. S-H-E.
She is.
Remember, he is for boys, she is for girls.
Okay, now let's learn our first adjective. This is about size.
Imagine a basketball player. They are big. They go up, up, up.
This is our first key word, tall.
Tall. T-A-L-L.
Tall means the person has a big height. They are not small.
For example, Michael Jordan is tall.
Or, my father is tall. He can touch the top of the door.
When you look at a tall person, you have to look up.
Let's practice. Listeners, please repeat. Tall.
Tall.
He is tall.
He is tall.
Great. Now, what is the opposite of tall?
Imagine a small child or a small person. They're not up high. They are down low.
This is our second key word, short.
Short. S-H-O-R-T.
Short means small height, not tall.
For example, the baby is short.
Or, my little sister is short.
It is not a bad word. It just describes size. Some people are tall. Some people are short.
Listeners, please repeat. Short.
Short.
She is short.
She is short.
Excellent. Now, we have tall and short. Now let's talk about personality.
Yes. Some people are not very friendly, but some people are lovely. They help you, they smile.
This is our first key word, nice.
Nice. N-I-C-E.
Nice means good, friendly, kind, a person you like.
For example, my grandmother is very nice. She always gives me cookies.
Or, the new teacher is nice. She helps me with my English.
If someone says hello and smiles, they are nice.
Listeners, repeat this popular word, nice.
Nice.
He is nice.
He is nice.
Very good. Now, let's talk about feelings. Feelings change. Sometimes we feel good, sometimes we feel bad.
Imagine you win the lottery. Or imagine it is your birthday. You have a big smile on your face.
This is our fourth keyword, happy.
Happy. H-A-P-P-Y.
Happy means you feel good. You are smiling. You are not crying.
For example, I am happy because I have pizza.
Or, the children are happy at the park.
When you see a smile, the person is happy.
Listeners, let's say it with energy. Happy.
Happy.
She is happy.
She is happy.
Perfect. But life is not always perfect. What is the opposite of happy?
Imagine you lose your phone, or imagine it is raining and you cannot go outside. You do not smile.
This is our fifth keyword, sad.
Sad. S-A-D.
Sad means you feel bad. You might cry. Your face looks down.
For example, the boy is sad because he dropped his ice cream.
Oh, that is very sad. Another example, the movie ends and the dog dies. Everyone is sad.
Listeners, repeat this word. It's a short word. Sad.
Sad. He is sad.
He is sad.
Okay, Charlotte, we have 5 amazing words: tall, short, nice, happy, sad.
Let's add one more bonus word. I think our listeners will like this one.
Okay, what is it?
It is for people who make you laugh, people who tell jokes. Ha ha ha.
Ah, I know this one. Funny.
Yes, funny. F-U-N-N-Y.
Funny means humorous. Someone who makes you laugh.
For example, the clown is funny.
Or, my friend Leo is funny.
Thank you, Charlotte. I try to be funny. Listeners, repeat. Funny.
Funny.
He is funny.
He is funny. Okay, now we have 6 words. Let's practice using them in sentences.
I will describe a person. You tell me if it is a good description or a bad description.
Okay, I am ready.
Imagine a basketball player. Can I say he is short?
No, that is wrong. A basketball player is tall. You should say he is tall.
Correct. Now, imagine a person crying. Can I say she is happy?
No, Leo. If she is crying, she is sad. You should say she is sad.
Correct. Now, imagine a friend who gives you a present. Can I say he is nice?
Yes, that is perfect. He is nice.
Okay, now let's play a game called Guess Who?
I love games. How do we play?
I will describe a famous character. You have to guess who it is.
Okay, I am listening.
Number 1, he is short. He is a plumber. He wears a red hat. He is funny. He has a brother named Luigi.
Oh, this is easy. He is Mario from the video games.
Yes, he is Mario. He is short and funny.
Okay, my turn. She is tall, very tall. She is pink. She is a bird. She stands on one leg.
Tall, pink, a bird. Is she a flamingo?
Yes, she is a flamingo.
Good one. Okay, one more. He is sad. He is a donkey. He is gray. He is friends with Winnie the Pooh. He always says, "Oh well."
Oh, I know him. He is Eeyore.
Yes, he is sad, but he is also nice.
This is fun, Leo. It shows that we can describe anyone with simple words.
Exactly. You do not need big words. You just need to look at the person.
Are they big or small? Tall or short?
Are they smiling or crying? Happy or sad?
Are they good people? Nice.
Are they make you laugh? Funny.
Listeners, I want you to think about yourself now.
Are you tall or are you short?
I am short. What about you, Leo?
I am tall. Well, I'm medium tall.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm happy to be here.
I hope our listeners are happy too.
Let's do a final review of our vocabulary. Repeat after me one last time.
Tall,
Tall,
short,
short,
nice,
nice,
happy,
happy,
sad,
sad,
funny.
funny.
Remember the grammar too. He is for boys, she is for girls.
He is happy. She is happy.
You are doing a great job. Describing people is the first step to making friends.
Charlotte, do